we will draw with the tree, the body of the coconut tree. Okay. Okay, this is the tree, like this one, and below we do like this. Okay, now we got the tree, and then we have the leaf. Yes, leaf. You know why I draw the brown color, and after that we will use the green. Okay, this is the way that we draw with the leaf. And after that we will use the green, dark. I will use dark green color to see the leaf. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay, this is dark green, and then we will use another light green. Okay. Yeah, I know. And then we will use the green. No, we don't have the green. Green, very green color. This one. Okay. Right. A leaf of the coconut tree. Coconut tree leaf. Alright, and then I will use this one. Yes, yes, coconut. Alright, and I will use another green to almost gone. The green color gone. So please help me.
No, you can use this one. This one is good.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. And then put it again. Now coloring. Oh my god, see this one.
Why is it always this one right now?
This is coconut tree. Alright, and then we will make the coloring.
This one is good.
Right, and then we will use the another. Okay, and this one below we will show the green.
Papa, đặt ai quen nên nút mỏi. Hana, Papa, đặt smile mỏi.
And then we will
Chưa
use the
green mình đấy. Chưa green mình đặt green.
okay.
What's fine?
Spell coconut. Coconut a spell.
C-O-C-O. And you too. You don't have to look it.
Okay.
Papa, score look like
C
C-O-C.
O C O N U T. Coconut 3. T R E E. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And sorry, final we will use the cloud.
Why is it the white one? The cloud is the color white only.
The cloud,
Why is it the coconut tree is up to the sky right now?
yes sir, it's tall, the taller one. And then we will mix with the yellow color to make the brightness color.
So how we draw sun right now?
Option, the left hand or right hand?
I think what you need to
Okay,
draw.
so I will use this one, the sun.
Oh my god, it's a little too brighter. Oh my god. It's a little too brighter.
Okay,
Then
thank you for watching. Bye.